this auspicious occasion of Republic Day. As we all know that we all have gathered here to commend the 72nd Republic Day of our nation. Republic Day, praised every year on 26th January, has a special significance throughout India's entire existence. Consistently, the nation occasion is commended with lots of bliss and happiness to make the occasion more markable and happily. It was on 26 January 1950 when the Constitution of India came into impact, and the day is celebrated as Republic Day to celebrate the occasion of Republic Day. As we all know that India got independence on 15th of August 1947. But the country did not have its own constitution. Rather, it was presented under the law executed by the British rules. It was undertaken by an advisory group headed by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, who presented a draft of Indian Constitution which was adjusted on 26th November 1949 and effectively authoritatively became effective on 26th January 1950. Republic signifies the power supreme. A resident living in Republic country has the right to choose their political pioneer to lead the nation. On this day, ceremonies, processions happen at Rajpath, which are proceeded as a tribute to India. This festival begins from the doors of Rashtrapati Bhavan, Raisina Hill at Rajpath Post, and the India Gate is the fundamental attractions of Republic Day celebrations. The President hoists the national flag and encourage the people with speech, Republic Day speech on the Republic Day. As we all know that it is celebrated every year on 26th January. The Republic Day is a very beautiful day for us and it is a very memorable day. It was on 26 November 1949 adjusted and it was became effective on 26 January 1950. This day is all about understanding, respect and hugely about celebrating our freedom. I am obliged to speak before such a crowd. Thank you. Jai Hind.